So what is nervous system self-regulation? In order to learn to self-regulate our nervous systems as adults, ideally we would have had an attuned and resourced caretaker in our lives as children that we could co-regulate our nervous systems with on a regular basis. An example of co-regulating with a caregiver would be, if something startled or upset us, there would be someone there who could attune to us, comfort us, hold us, or remind us to take some deep breaths and that everything was going to be okay. Because so many of us didn't have that experience growing up, it became more challenging to learn how to self-regulate, self-soothe, and stay centered and resourced in healthy ways. But the wonderful and deeply encouraging news is that neuroplasticity research has shown that as our bodies, brains, and nervous systems regenerate themselves on a regular basis, trauma can absolutely be integrated and resolved. The brilliant thing about your body is that it is designed to heal. Your body is designed to be genius. New, healthy neural pathways can ongoingly be created, and uplifting lifestyle changes can be made that can powerfully and positively transform the baseline experience of your day-to-day life. Self-regulating our nervous systems means becoming adept at tracking our body's signals early on, so that we are able to significantly decrease how often our bodies go into a stress response, thereby giving our nervous systems, our adrenals, and our stress organs a chance to rest, heal, and regenerate. And when we do get activated, having a toolkit filled with effective practices to help bring our bodies out of fight, flight, freeze, or shutdown, and back into a state of feeling calm, safe, and open to social connection. The vagus nerve is the 10th out of 12 cranial nerves. Our body's central nervous system is made up of the brain, the cranial nerves, the spinal cord, the spinal nerves, and the enteric nerves. It is the body's processing center. The central nervous system is one of two parts of the nervous system. The other part is the peripheral nervous system, which consists of nerves that connect the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. The vagus nerve affects the entire human experience, especially following periods of chronic stress, adversity, or trauma. It is a long cranial nerve that runs from the brainstem into the neck, chest, and abdomen. It is one of the most important nerves in the body and helps to regulate many critical aspects of human physiology, including the heart rate, blood pressure, sweating, digestion, and speaking. The fibers of the vagus nerve send information up from our body to our brain and down from our brain to our body to communicate whether we are safe and if all is working well. One very helpful thing to know is that 80% of the signals from the vagus nerve are coming up from the body to the brain, and only 20% are coming down from the brain to the body. And that's why somatic, body-based practices are so important for nervous system regulation, and why you can't talk yourself out of feeling anxiety or overstimulation. Since the vagus nerve is part of our parasympathetic nervous system, when it gets stimulated, it increases what is known as vagal tone, slowing our heart rate and our breathing down, and calming the nervous system. Author Stephen Porges calls it the love nerve, because when the vagus nerve is functioning at its optimum, you feel more clear, loving, compassionate, connected, and socially engaged. Over this series, we will go over a wide variety of pragmatic and easy-to-do practices, working with various parts of your body that will help you to boost your vagal tone and learn to more effectively self-regulate your nervous system for a greater sense of overall well-being, emotionally, mentally, and physically. And if you would like to go deeper, you can receive access to my free online course, Vagus Nerve and Nervous System Self-Regulation, by clicking the free sign-up link in the description below this video. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Sending many blessings and much love your way.